Hi internet friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a first impressions review on this product from Dragun Beauty. If you guys are new to the channel, hi, my name is Ken, also known as MrKenDenis. I do beauty and lifestyle type content on this channel. If that is your jam, hit the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Okay, so I know this product isn't new, it's been out in the market for quite some time now, but I've only recently gotten my hands on it. Obviously I've got makeup on at the moment, but as you guys can see over here, this is me applying it onto my skin. So I've got some skincare, some primer on my skin, and then I go ahead and apply this product. So this, I would describe it as a medium burnt orange shade. Now in terms of how much foundation I actually had to apply to cover it up, I would like to say maybe a pump of foundation, which isn't unusual for me just because I do have a large area and I use a lot of the product considering to cover the 5 o'clock shadow, so I feel like one pump is generally enough. Now in terms of the formula itself, how it sits on the skin, obviously I've just got a fresh face of makeup, but I have worn this out already and I do feel that it lasts okay. The formula again isn't too thick, it isn't too runny either, so I feel like it's not going to add too many layers onto the skin that it's going to emphasize, let's say, laugh lines if you're going to be using it around the mouth, or crease lines underneath the eyes if you're going to be using it as a color corrector underneath the eyes. If I'm being completely honest, I did not want to like this product. It's definitely one of those products that I thought like, I don't really see the hype behind it. I feel like it's going to be something that I can just dupe with the LA Girl Pro, and you can, but I actually really like the coverage that I get from this. I feel like with the LA Girl Pro, it's a little bit runny and it doesn't provide as much coverage as well. So this is not only a color corrector, but also sort of like a concealer as well, if that makes sense. It adds coverage and also color corrects, which I really like. A lot of the times when you buy color correctors, they're quite sheer and they're really just more like a tint to kind of like mask whatever undertone you're trying to cover up, whereas this, it corrects and also adds coverage, which I really like. The reason why I didn't want to like this is because, again, the price. It's not the most affordable color corrector out there. It's not expensive by any means. I've seen the ones from Lancome, that's insanely expensive to me. I'd say this is kind of like in between. Okay, so just for comparison, I've got two other concealers from other brands that I've tried out before. So this one has 4 mils, and this one from Revolution, this is their Conceal and Correct. This one is a very similar sort of like undertone, a little bit darker. This one is, let's see, this one's got 4 grams, so I believe 1 ml is 1 gram, so that would be 4 ml. And then the other one here is from Nikkita Beauty. This is just, I think, the normal orange one. This one has 18 grams, so definitely a lot more compared to the Nikkita Dragun one. So this is what I mean by I didn't really want to like it as much because it's a little bit expensive when you compare it to this. Now, here in Australia, we do pay a little bit more for US brands, just because of the whole import and stuff. There are websites that cater to Australia, but in terms of pricing, I feel like these two are quite similarly priced. But that being said, I feel like this is definitely a lot more affordable and a lot more bang for your buck. And that pretty much brings us to the end of the video. If you guys would like to see my reviews on other color corrector products, check out the eye on the screen, also the description box down below. And if you guys would like to see more of me, head over to my Instagram. Again, links will be down there for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.